Hello and welcome back to Vintage Nook. Today we're diving into the world of effortless elegance with 10 subtle ways to add luxury to your home. True luxury isn't about excess. It's about creating a space that feels intentional, timeless, and beautifully refined. With just a few thoughtful touches, you can elevate your interiors and make your home feel like a designer-inspired sanctuary. So, grab a cozy seat and let's get started. Lighting can instantly transform the atmosphere of a room. A bold chandelier, an elegant pendant, or a sculptural floor lamp becomes both functional and artistic. Statement lighting draws the eye, creates a focal point, and sets the tone, subtly infusing a sense of luxury without overwhelming the space. Beyond style, statement lighting enhances mood and depth. The right piece balances illumination with shadow, adding drama and sophistication. Pairing warm bulbs with reflective finishes elevates the ambience. With thoughtful placement, statement lighting doesn't just brighten, it highlights textures, colors, and architectural details, giving your home a refined, designer-inspired finish. Bringing nature indoors has always symbolized elegance. A vase of fresh flowers or a curated arrangement of greenery elevates any corner, instantly refreshing the space. From roses to eucalyptus, natural touches breathe life into interiors. Their subtle colors and organic forms add softness, making a home feel both refined and inviting. Beyond aesthetics, fresh flowers and greenery engage the senses. They introduce natural fragrance, evoke calmness, and subtly reflect the changing seasons. Thoughtful placement on a dining table, entryway console, or bedside creates understated luxury. By layering textures of leaves and blossoms, you cultivate an atmosphere that feels intentional, timeless, and full of quiet sophistication. Neutral tones embody calm elegance. Shades of beige, taupe, ivory, and soft grays create a timeless foundation that feels effortlessly luxurious. A neutral palette allows textures, shapes, and accents to shine, offering flexibility while maintaining sophistication. It provides a serene backdrop where every detail feels curated with care and balance. By layering various neutral shades, depth and warmth naturally emerge. Accents like metallics or natural woods blend seamlessly without overpowering the harmony. Neutral interiors evoke calm and spaciousness, making rooms appear larger and more inviting. This understated approach to color creates quiet refinement, ensuring a sense of luxury that never feels forced. Luxury often lies in touch as much as sight. Incorporating high-quality fabrics like linen, velvet, silk, or cashmere elevates everyday experiences. Upholstered chairs, throw pillows, or draped blankets become more than functional. They become tactile indulgences. Texture creates richness, signaling attention to quality and thoughtful design in every corner. Even subtle fabric upgrades have a transformative effect. Velvet cushions add opulence, linen curtains offer breezy elegance, and cashmere throws exude comfort. Mixing textures avoids monotony while enhancing depth. High-quality fabrics reflect longevity, ensuring that style meets substance. These carefully chosen textiles infuse your home with understated luxury that feels both lived in and refined. Luxury often reveals itself through organization and ease. Built-in storage solutions maximize space while maintaining a polished look. From custom shelving to hidden cabinetry, integrated designs eliminate clutter and highlight clean lines. These features blend seamlessly into architecture, making functionality appear natural, intentional, and aesthetically pleasing within any room. Beyond practicality, built-in storage contributes to an elevated atmosphere. Tailored designs suit personal needs while showcasing a home's craftsmanship. Whether it's a library wall, a hidden wardrobe, or discreet kitchen cabinetry, these storage solutions minimize chaos. By keeping essentials accessible yet unseen, they preserve a sense of order that feels quietly luxurious. True luxury engages all senses. A carefully chosen scent enhances a home's identity, leaving a lasting impression. Candles, essential oils, or diffusers offer subtle layers of fragrance, whether floral, woody, or fresh. Pairing aroma with soft lighting creates ambience, transforming ordinary evenings into indulgent, memorable experiences for both residents and guests. Scent enriches emotional connection with space. Lavender calms, citrus energizes, and sandalwood grounds. These subtle details elevate daily rituals, making them feel more special. When combined with ambient touches like dim lighting or gentle background music, fragrance completes the sensory experience, creating a home atmosphere that whispers sophistication and comfort. Mirrors are timeless tools of luxury design. Their reflective surfaces expand space, bounce natural light, and add brightness. Whether framed in ornate gold, sleek metal, or minimalist wood, mirrors serve as functional art. Strategically placed, they enhance rooms while adding depth, making spaces feel more open and inviting without effort. Reflections amplify elegance subtly. Positioning mirrors opposite windows captures daylight, while above mantels they highlight architectural details. Clustered designs create statement walls, while large single panels bring grandeur. Beyond illusion, mirrors add texture and visual interest, balancing practicality with style. They transform ordinary corners into airy, elevated spaces that exude refinement. Luxury thrives in simplicity. Decluttering removes distractions, allowing each piece to shine. Minimalist principles focus on quality over quantity, with carefully selected furniture, art, and decor defining the room. Clean surfaces and open spaces create calm, while thoughtful arrangement fosters elegance. Minimalism isn't emptiness, it's refined intention expressed through design. By eliminating excess, a sense of clarity emerges. A well-placed vase, sculptural lamp, or striking chair gains prominence. Minimalist design also enhances flow, making homes feel spacious and serene. Luxury lies in restraint, the balance between emptiness and curated detail. With less competing for attention, your home naturally radiates timeless sophistication. A coffee table is a canvas for personality and luxury. Thoughtful styling with books, trays, candles, or small sculptures creates an artful arrangement. Layering different heights and textures adds visual interest. Each object should feel intentional, balancing function and beauty, turning the table into a refined focal point of the room. Curated styling tells a story without clutter. A stack of design books, a ceramic bowl, or a single flower stem can communicate taste and elegance. Symmetry and negative space keep arrangements sophisticated. By editing with care, your coffee table becomes more than furniture. It becomes a showcase of quiet, curated luxury. Windows frame a home's soul, and layering treatments elevates their presence. Combining sheer curtains with heavier drapes adds both texture and versatility. Sheers soften daylight, while thicker fabrics provide privacy and warmth. This layered approach creates depth, instantly signaling sophistication and thoughtfulness within a room's overall design and atmosphere. Luxury lies in details of fabric, color, and length. Floor-to-ceiling treatments elongate walls, while tailored pleats or subtle patterns add richness. Layered window dressings allow flexibility, bright and airy by day, intimate and cocooned by night. The interplay of light and texture infuses rooms with elegance, finishing spaces in timeless luxury. Thank you so much for joining me here at Vintage Nook. I hope these ideas inspire you to bring a touch of luxury into your home in simple, timeless ways. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. See you next time.